Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I will be making cauliflower and mac and cheese. So as you can see right here, I am cutting up the cauliflower right now, and you want to make sure to cut it up into macaroni size noodles, I guess you can say. I mean, this isn't really noodles, but y'all know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, so right here I am making a roux or a cheese sauce to put with the cauliflower. I don't want to use like any Velveeta cheese. I wanted to see if I can make my own. So yes, I'm going to be using butter, flour, milk, and a different variety of cheeses. So right here I am mixing in the milk, the butter, and the flour, and also you want to make sure that you keep whisking it so that it doesn't end up sticking to the bottom. And then next I'm going to be adding my cheeses. You want to make sure that the milk becomes a thick consistency, as you can see in the video. And also I added in my seasonings to give it a little bit of taste, because I don't want it to be bland, okay? Make sure the cheese is well incorporated into the mixture as well. And now it is time to add the cauliflower. This time I made it a little bit different. I baked it instead of just boiling the cauliflower. I noticed that the cauliflower mac and cheese used to come out watery, so this time I baked it instead to get out the excess water. So yeah, look how good it's looking, you guys, okay? And here it is out of the oven. My mom did put a little bit of black pepper. I don't know why on earth she decided to do that, but yeah, you guys, look how good it looks. Oh my god, now I feel like making it again because it was that good. But I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like it, share it. Y'all know what to do with videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Look at that. Yes. Bye guys.